Do you want to lower weight the same night and see results in the morning? Take this. Most Americans remain overweight and do not know how to eliminate these extra pounds without having to undergo costly surgeries, and that cause a lot of pain once performed. Today we bring you a homemade recipe and 100% natural, with which you can lose weight without realizing it. The best way to lose weight is to eat properly and exercise. But if you are one of those people who do not like to exercise, or do not have enough time, you can try this miracle potion that burns fat and increases your metabolism. This is a recipe that even the experts are recommending for their effective results, but we always recommend consulting with an expert before doing any of these treatments home and natural. Not all organisms react in the same way to a home remedy and natural. Although natural-based remedies should not have side effects, it is always good to consult experts and seek more opinions. Come on with the recipe for this magic potion. Ingredients: 1. Half freshly squeezed organic lemon. 2. 2 tablespoons of raw honey, preferably local and unfiltered. 3. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 4. 100 grams of rice. 5. Half liter of water. Preparation: 1. Boil the water. 2. Introduce the rice when the water is boiling. 3. Stop the water when the rice is done. 4. Add the ingredients in a bowl. 5. Wait for the water to cool. 6. Introduce the rest of ingredients and mix with water and rice. 7. Once cold, you can take it. Although you can also take it hot. The best time of day to drink this potion is in the morning, when the system needs a jump start. Also, drink it also at night before going to bed, but always on an empty stomach. I am